Hey guys, Andy Demi here. Welcome, hope you're well. Hope you're having a good start to your week. So in today's video, I want to speak about money, mindset, and basically how you go from, let's say, somebody who thinks a certain amount of money is a lot of money to then thinking a new way about that situation, okay, about that money. Because sometimes I have conversations with people where we might say to somebody, you need to fund an account with, at least 10,000 to have, a good account to actually build your psychology up in trading. Because, the realism of it is when you're trading a really tiny account, you're not really testing your psychology. And then sometimes the response is like, wow, that's a lot of money. And it's interesting, right? Because what somebody perceives as a lot of money isn't necessarily the same as someone else. And it's not always necessarily because they've got more money. It's just perception. So for example, when I was growing up, I'd always kind of see certain individuals in my family that would always have a lot of money, okay? And it was what I saw. And, I tried to mimic, in a way, what they did. For example, I had an uncle who was a stock market trader who used to make a lot of money from buying and selling shares and then go and investing it into properties. And I was quite close with him. And, I got to see how he thought about things. And so when we were talking about money, I didn't have a lot of money back then. But if somebody was to say to me, £10,000, I wouldn't have thought, wow, that's a lot of money, that's way beyond me. Because that's what you're really kind of saying to the universe, right? It's right, wow, that's way beyond me. So you have to increase your level of thinking and what I like to call your new normal level, okay, your new normal level, because everybody has what they think is normal. So what is normal to spend on a car? Well, for some people, they'll spend £2,000 or £3,000 on a used car. For someone else, a normal amount is to go and spend 100k, 200k. Or what is normal to go and spend on a holiday? Some people, they want to do it on a budget and they think, spending a few £100s is a lot of money, and somebody else might think, well, I need to at least spend 30 grand. So it's really about your level of thinking. Now, what has this got to do with trading? It has a lot to do with trading, because when you are looking to build wealth from this vehicle, well, essentially you need to be thinking the right way. Because if you're funding an account with £200 and you're basically just trying to make some money out of that, the realism of it is firstly, you're telling your brain that that's all you're worth, like £200 account. Now, I get it, you may not have any other money, but here's what you need to do. You need to be thinking about where you want to be rather than where you are. How do you do that? Really simple. Trade a demo account. Trade a demo account of the account that you want to be trading. Okay? Whether that's 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 100,000. And you might then say to me, well, okay, what account should I choose? Well, how much money do you want to make? Let's say you want to make, £2,000 a month. And you want to then say, okay, I can make 5% a month or 10% a month. So let's say you want to be conservative, you want to make 5% a month, and you want to make £2,000 a month. Well, it's simple. Do the maths, reverse engineer it. You need a £40,000 account. So set your demo up to trade a £40,000 account. And then what you want to do is implement your strategy, get used to those numbers, get used to the amount of money that you're making, and then slowly but surely build that confidence up, and magical things happen when you start thinking the right way. Okay, money can appear, investors can invest in you, that kind of stuff. But the first and foremost, you need to be at a level of thinking to be able to warrant trading that kind of money and then making the income that you want from trading. So it really all starts from your mindset, and then it kind of leads to other things. So I'm going to say it one more time. You need to reach new normal levels. Okay, so what normal becomes for you should be higher and higher and higher, and just do it step by step. Don't be in a rush. You're not in a rush to be a millionaire. Okay, just do it step by step and grow. But trick your mind. Do a demo account. Don't put £200 in an account, because you really aren't testing anything. You're not testing your psychology. I mean, I hear people say, yeah, but when it's live, I care about it. Look, doesn't matter how rich or poor you are, £200 is never going to be a lot of money for anybody, okay? Not if you're looking to be a trader, okay? So realistically, you're not testing your psychology, okay? You're just putting money in for the sake of it and just gambling it. You may as well be putting it into a slot machine as far as I'm concerned. Okay, so that's all I want to share today. Have a great day, guys. Good trading as always, and see you soon with another update. Take care. Bye-bye.